Hello students, I'm just going to go through a few of these that stood out to me as maybe being potentially a bit harder to figure out or to recognize the solution for. And actually I'm going to start with this very first one here because we can see that from the way it's resting, it looks like this is the base, this flat part down here. And so it's confusing because we've got triangles coming out from it, but we've got rectangles too. There's no congruent thing at the top, but it says a prism. These are our two bases, the two triangles. So this is a triangular prism with two triangles and three rectangles. Okay. The rest should be on this page. You can figure that out. Here you're just identifying how many edges, faces, and vertices there are. So let's do this shape down here quickly. Got 5 rectangles and 2 pentagons, so 7 faces. Number of edges, I've got 7 on that pentagon, 7 down here. Oops, sorry, that's the vertices. So there's 14 vertices, points where the edges come together. And I have, that's a poor job counting, 10. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10. 15 there. You can figure out that one. That's a square at the bottom of that pyramid. Let's look at this shape quickly down here. Maybe this one's a bit trickier. How many faces? We've got a hexagon at the bottom and then 6 triangles coming off of it. So 7 faces. Number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12. And number of vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1.7. Okay. Now also I may end up going through most of these because these are trickier. I'm going to choose this as the base. This is something that we saw in the lesson, but these 3 walls would fold up. This could fold down to be the top or the other base. That would fold over. This is going to make a cube. There's the base. It's always helpful for me to identify the base. These 4 rectangles coming off it will meet at the top. That is a square pyramid. I'll choose this to be the base. These 2 will come up to make 2 walls. That can swing over and make the last wall. Triangular pyramid. Ooh, this one's looking a little bit trickier. I see these 2 are the same shape, and I see some rectangles. I wonder if I can make these my 2 bases. But before I exit, I'm going to see if that's possible. That is the base. I could fold this up, swing this around to become this wall. That one could be that wall. That one can swing down on top. Yep, base 1, base 2. That is a triangular prism. Thank goodness this is not handwriting class. This is pretty rough. Sorry, guys. Ooh, and then this kind of weird looking thing. This looks a little bit like the cube that I looked at earlier, but none of these, or maybe these 2 are squares. But actually I'm going to choose those as my bases. These could make 4 rectangles surrounding this square, and this could fold down on top. This is a rectangular prism. All right, if you have further questions, please let me know. Also, let me know your original score before you looked through this and did corrections, how you did on this. All right, we'll look at 14.2 tomorrow. Thanks, guys.